Hey guys, another video for our Nature and Environment in Japan playlist. One of our patrons was recently asking about our pigeons, if they're still in our garden. Yes, they are. They're actually nesting at the moment, which is fairly entertaining. They're wandering around collecting sticks and making two different nests, one in the trees and one in the bamboo. So we've also got another couple, like a pair of birds, other type of birds that you'll see, this one and his little friend. They're also permanent residents. They're in the garden every day. And then there seems to be others that come and go as well, quite a lot. Possibly because a lot of the houses around us have cats and dogs and other animals that might bother them, whereas our garden tends to be a bit of a sanctuary. We don't have cats and dogs. And there are lots of things for them to eat too, lots of seeds and things that they seem to like. So a lot of them don't seem to leave. That little pair that we just showed you and the pigeons don't seem to leave the garden. They seem to be out in the garden all the time because they live there and they get their food there and they're sort of pretty content, it seems. So it's good therapy in these troubling times to sit and look out the window and watch the activities of our little guys. So we'll let you do the same thing in peace for a little while. Hope you enjoy this.